Good morning, students. Again, we are back for the class. In yesterday's lecture, we studied about the general description of the floral parts. So, first part we discussed, that is calyx. Second part we discussed about the corolla. So, in today's lecture, we are going to discuss the third whorl, that is called as androecium. Androecium means the stamens of the flower. Stamens mainly consist of two parts, that is your anther and filament. So you can see here in the diagram, this is the structure of a stamen. The upper part it is called as anther, and this stalk here, filament-like structure, it is called as filament. So androecium, it is a collective name for stamens. Now if the stamens are free, it is called, the condition is called as polyandrous. Polyandrous. Example is petunia flower. Now when you learn the terms, conditions, please learn their examples also. Examples are important. So you can see polyandrous, that is free stamens, example is petunia. And when they are joined in the group, second condition is when they are joined in the groups. Now groups, they can be present in one single group, two groups or several groups. When they are in one group, the condition is called as monoadelphous. Very important. And when they are in two groups, diadelphous. When they are in several groups, it is called as polyadelphous. So you can have a look at the diagram given in your book also. When they are joined in a single group, then it is called as monoadelphous. Here you can see that all are forming one tube-like structure. Here they have two groups, one this and one this. So it is, the condition is diadelphous. And in the third diagram, you can see several groups are formed. The condition is polyadelphous. So examples also you can see here given. For monoadelphous, we have an example, China rose. For diadelphous, it is pea plant. And for polyadelphous, bombax. So these are important. Please mark them. Examples are important and the conditions. So this topic is very important. Now, when we talk of terms, mono, how to learn it? That is, mono means single. Delphous means group. So when monoadelphous, one group. Diadelphous, two groups. Polyadelphous, many groups. Now the next whorl is the last whorl, that is the fourth whorl, that is your gynoecium. Gynoecium mainly consists of the carpels, pistil also we call it, and it has three parts, stigma, style and ovary. Now in the diagram you can see here, this I have drawn, this part is called as stigma, this is the style which is connecting stigma and ovary, and the swollen portion at the base, it is called as ovary. So it has three parts, stigma, style and ovary. Now ovary, it is a swollen portion and inside it has a cushion-like structure which is called as placenta to hold the ovules. The inner parts, they are called as locules, where the ovules will be arranged. Now arrangement can be in any manner, different manner, like in cucumber you must have seen triangular. In pea plants, the peas are arranged in a straight line. So it depends from fruit to fruit how the ovules are arranged, but internally they are joined by a cushion-like structure called as placenta. So underline that term, placenta, it is given in your book also. Ovules, the cushion or swollen region in the ovary attaching the ovules to the wall of the ovary is called as placenta. Clear? Now today what we have done, the structure of androecium and the fourth layer, that is gynoecium. Clear everyone? Now today's your homework is to draw the diagram of flower which is given on page number 33 in the starting of the chapter. This diagram you are going to draw in your notebook. So this is the homework. Draw it neatly, properly labeled and complete it. So tomorrow we will study the next topic. For today it's thank you. Thank you everyone.